get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So look what we got here, guys. We got some seats for the queue. That's how the queue is looking right now, but soon all of this is gonna fix. The glass is gonna fix soon, so I'm not too worried about that. But look what we got. We got some bucket seats, and yeah, also they could recline too. So there they are. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all know what's gonna go down in this video, man. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get on with the video, man. So right now I just put on the seat rails. Also probably in the next few weeks I'm gonna get the planted seat rails for the Q50, the ones that sit higher than this. But for right now I'm just using that for right now. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna test fit this passenger seat first, and then I'm gonna start on the driver's side. So okay guys, before I put the seats in the car, let me move this real quick. I'm gonna just like put it like at the side. So that's one of the doors. So I'm gonna test fit it on the passenger side first, and then go along with it. I guess in there kind of dark. I don't know if you guys. And we got the harness right there. So let's get the seat from outside and come and test fit it. And also guys, these seats are light. They are very light, guys. So let me try it like this first. Yep. Let's see. Let's see how they're gonna fit. I guess the seat belt thing is in the way, so let me get it. All right, and let's put it back a little bit. So let's pull back the seats so we could fit it. And also I cut the seat belts from right here. So it's gonna be seated like this. I know the mat's in the way, so yeah. And see, also they are reclinable, but I'm gonna fix it up and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, so there you go. Actually did this real quick just to show you guys how it would look in the queue, and that's how it would look, guys. So let me know what you guys think, if you guys like it. And y'all can see it like right through here. And also I got the harness. I didn't put this up yet because I'm gonna change the glass, so I ain't worried about this. But yeah guys, and also I'm gonna have to modify that like how I did this side. So yeah guys, if you guys like the content, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, guys. And yeah, I think this is gonna be that's it for today. I'm gonna wait until the other seat rail come in. So yeah guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. And also in the next video, y'all, the seat is gonna be in and done and everything already, so I'll just show you guys in the next video. And yeah guys, thanks.